Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Uh, this is live from Ogbomoso Focus TV. Good morning. We welcome you back online today again. This is the day 3 of the coronation program of His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye. And today, we are doing something spectacular in the city of Ogbomoso. As you all see, today, we are going to have inauguration golf tournament in the city of Ogbomoso in the name of His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye orumogege. And that's what we are doing today. And now we are live at Ogbomoso Recreation Club. And this has been the picture gallery of His Imperial Majesty being slated at the golf pitch, at the golf area in Ogbomoso Recreation Club. So if you are a member of a golfer, we are expecting you to come around this morning to come and experience, come and have the wonderful scene of a golf tournament in the city of Ogbomoso. This Ogbomoso Recreation Club has been branded with the picture gallery of His Imperial Majesty, and this is the first of its kind in the city of Ogbomoso. If you don't know, now this is Ogbomoso Recreation Club, and you can see, as you all see, the dignitaries are here. Everybody are fully on ground to witness this turning of its kind in the city of Ogbomoso. This is Ogbomoso Recreation Club. Like I said, if you have opportunity to pass through Ogbomoso Ilorin High Road, the Ogbomoso Recreation Club is located opposite the College of Health, Lautech Ogbomoso. That's what we are doing this morning. So that's the moment. So please and please, if you are a traveler on this route, then you are passing through Ogbomoso along Ilorin Road, please and please, just be patient while you are approaching Ogbomoso Recreation Club, because there is going to be a kind of inaugural golf tournament on His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye this morning, and that's what we are doing here today. Now, as you can see, we are live at Ogbomoso Recreation Club. That's the moment. We are live now. So straight in the meantime, the tournament is going to kick off here in the city of Ogbomoso, this Ogbomoso Recreation Club golf course. And that's what we are doing this morning. And all the dignitaries are here. We're expecting everybody. If you have opportunity to be part of this, then we are expecting you. You can come around and witness the moment, because this is first of its kind in the city of Ogbomoso. This is the strong man, the man they call the man Armstrong, has been fully on ground, and I have the pleasure of introducing to you an Honorable Odebome Bonfik, has been fully on ground. I thought it's only a politician. I never knew he's also a golfer. Then I have a pleasure of welcoming you, and the man behind the Cookathon team, none and only the man they call Neyo, a very wonderful man and a powerful media guy in the city of Ogbomoso. He's also fully on ground. We're expecting more of you, and these at the picture gallery side. As you can see, everybody are taking their stands now. And if you have opportunity to come around, we're expecting you. We're expecting everyone to come around and enjoy the moment with His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye. This is gonna be a wonderful moment. No. I guess we are expecting the Tiger Wood to be part here. I never know. There's a lot of Tiger Wood in the city of Ogbomoso. I thought this is gonna be a golf pitch in the United States, but not knowing this is Ogbomoso, live and direct. There are a lot of Tiger Woods here. Daddy, you're highly welcome, sir. Thanks for coming. We're enjoying the moment with everyone here. This is Ogbomoso golf pitch, not like the kind of the Tiger Wood in the United States. Now, as you can see, a lot of golfers are here, enjoying every moment. Wow, this is the man they call Armstrong. Agbaki. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. As you all know, the game of golf is a game of the big guys out there. So if you have opportunity to be here, please and please come and join. Come and enjoy the moment with His Imperial Majesty. In the meantime, this program is gonna kick off. So wherever you're watching us for, please share, likes, and comment. Come and experience the different kind of Tiger Woods. In the city of Ogbomoso, some are the best golf players. They are fully on ground. We really appreciate you, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you for the first time. Can you say something to people out there, please? Can we meet you, sir?
Yeah. We are in Ogbomoso.
All right.
Live and direct. Man, we're kicking it. Giving it swings. I mean, you've never seen. We have the likes of Tiger Woods. Those are swings better than Tiger Woods.
Oh my word!
In Ogbomoso.
Living here in the city of Ogbomoso.
Right,
then after this tournament, that we got somebody that will go and challenge the Tiger Wood out there.
So many of them, like my very good friend, you can see over there.
Oh,
Prince. He's a fine player, you know.
Wow.
He's one of the champions.
Wow. That means we have the next PGA in the city of Ogbomoso any moment from now. That's the moment you'll be seeing here. It's been a big, wonderful moment here in the city of Ogbomoso. If you have opportunity to join us, and if you have opportunity passing through Ogbomoso, Ilorin, High Road, this is Ogbomoso Recreation Club is directly opposite the College of Medicine here, Lautech, Ladoke Akitola, and that's been the wonderful moment. And if you have opportunity to come around, we'll be expecting you. It's a very serene environment where you're gonna enjoy yourself. You can see a lot of golfers springing their hands here, waiting for the moment to happen. And any moment from now, we'll be expecting His Imperial Majesty to come and have the best swings of the moment, and the tournament will kick off. We're expecting you, expecting everyone. Come around. The dignitaries are here. The dignitaries are fully on ground. Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you again. And it's a moment here. Honorable Temi Adibi is also fully on ground. If you don't know, they are not just ordinary politicians. They do something else aside being politics. Sir, we fully appreciate you. Thanks for coming, sir. Really appreciate you. And if you have opportunity to join us here, like I said, you're fully welcome. There are a lot of beautiful ladies on ground and the beautiful mamas as well. We really appreciate you. Thanks for coming. Well done, bro. Thanks so much. Daddy, it's a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow. It's a beautiful moment. All right. I have a very wonderful man here. You want to say something to people out there? Can we meet you, sir?
My name is Dr. Afọlábí Ghandi.
All right.
A veterinary doctor.
A vet doctor. Okay.
It's good, and I'm happy to be here and to see people turn up and turning around to show their interest in appreciating and honoring our new king.
All right.
And seeing good people, different people, calibers outside the country, and people turning up and coming here. I'm very happy. I'm sincerely yours. I'm very happy to be here. So my name is Dr. Afọlábí Ghandi Olaoye, the CEO of Kent Vets Global Consult.
All right. It's a nice meeting you. That's a wonderful man out there. That aside being a vet doctor, he does something recreational at the moment. And as you can see, this moment has been very, very wonderful one. So if you have opportunity to be here, these are kind of things that is going on here. That is a pleasure meeting you. Yeah, for the first time, how can you express this moment, because this seems like an historic coronation in the city of Ogbomoso, sir. With the look of things, with what you are seeing on ground here, I don't know, we have somebody that plays better than Tiger Woods in the city of Ogbomoso, sir. So many. All right. So, sir, how can you describe this moment now while we are waiting for His Imperial Majesty to come around?
Yeah, golf is a fantastic game.
Yeah.
And it's a game of love.
All right.
Where you see people look at from everywhere, no discrimination. This is the best game than even football.
Wow.
So, but I can tell you that there are people that are just learning today. You can see that we're having so many, but we have many Tiger Woods.
Millions of Tiger Woods in the city of Ogbomoso.
And we are going to produce it.
All right, Daddy. If not because of this tournament, we hardly come out and meet people like you. But now you are here because of this tournament. How can you encourage the more of Ogbomoso indigenes to be part of this system after this golf tournament? Then
I think the Oba Ghandi has connected us.
All right.
And it is a man of the people, for everybody. So and he has seen that where can we meet? The best place we can meet is golf club. We are by numbers. Football has the number 24, others will be spectators. But golf, you can have 500. We are professional people who can understand on how to organize it, no matter how many we are. What I'm going to say is that this is an example to others. You will see it very soon, because we don't normally cherish what we have. Look at the place, the golf club. Look at the fine golf club. And we are trying to extend it to 18 holes. By God's power, this pavilion will be raised. All we need to do is to see how we can encourage ourselves and come back home. And the little development we can do to encourage our Oba, so that he will not be. He's a man of social, he's a man of the people. So we need to rally around to the thing. And you can see from now, when the Jima told that Alamasi Latino, we are saying it from today and we continue. By his grace, he's a king and will be a king forever.
Before you go, Daddy, please tell people your name, because you've been speaking so much in our own local dialect, and we really appreciate you for that, because we hope after this turning, this is going to be a yearly event where we have Oba Ghandi tournament. We expect people all the way from dignitaries, international dignitaries, that will come around for this turning.
We're going to make it a mandatory that my name is Oba Afọlábí Olaoye Ghandi. I'm the Deputy Chief of Staff, Police Community Relations Committee, PCRC, right from Abuja. I flew down to do this tournament to show that my support is for Oba and we must develop it. We have no other way to do than to develop our time. And by God's power, with what we have, the sky is our limit. I expect you to have.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. As you can see that this is Otuba all the way from Abuja, the federal capital of the so-called great Nigeria. We are that he decided to come around all because of this golf turning, just to be part of us here in the city of Ogbomoso. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your coming. Love to see more of you around. That's the moment. As you can see, the pitch has been taking place. Any moment from now, we are expecting the arrival of His Imperial Majesty to kick off with this turning. That's the moment. So if you have opportunity to be part of us here, we're expecting you to come around. Come and enjoy yourself down the city of Ogbomoso or your state, Nigeria. And that's the moment. We're taking off any moment from now. So right now, we are moving around just to see things here in the city of Ogbomoso. And as I've been told, His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye has been around for the exhibition moment. And in the meantime, you got to meet him and see what's kicking off. And I can't do this alone. I've had the pleasure of welcoming the High Prince to the golf tournament we're playing this morning. Prince, you're highly welcome. Really appreciate your coming. Thanks so much. Now we'll move around. Now this is the exhibition arena of the golf pitch going on here in the city of Ogbomoso, and His Imperial Majesty has been around. So
well, this is the portrait of the and there is a message being passed across there. Because for every act having the message, that's the message there. And, I pray, sir, as you have gotten the mantle of that this time, success is yours in the name of Jesus. And so it is made with the pastor, with the style in the art. We have the other one here, which is also made with unconventional material. Instead of this, thread is used. To use oil color to change this will have been very easy. but it won't have this kind of effect. So thread here is used by the students to get a market seal. So this is part of the ingenuity we are trying to inculcate into our students. So you can see their thread. Here we have a little section for ceramics. This is mainly for industry. It is material. It is not art for artsy, but it is to be used at home. Now, they are still at the experimental level. It will interest you, sir, that the material used for this work, we are locally sourced in this Ogbomoso. Some of the materials are elephant grass, fruit peels, like oranges and banana, put together and combined with Vespa. We have Vespa here, Vespatic rock, we have it, and the clay is equally sourced from, that is where we source our clay. We only add borax, which is the only imported material. So they are still at experimental level. We can make it better than this. Thank you. So we also have pottery, also in ceramic department. This is the fine art aspect of pottery. You know, I said ceramic is part of the applied art, but this is the fine art aspect of ceramics, pottery. And it tells the story of one of the Yoruba folklore, how Mary Joba. We all know the story. This is the Japa, the brain behind the downfall of the elephant here. He never knew that it was going to be used for sacrifice. So he was thinking of wearing the crown until the falls come here. So this is for beautification. It can be placed anywhere. It can be placed in the wall, garden, and it will stay like that. It has been fired, so water cannot destroy it. It is dentified as it is, so it will stay there for long. And this is another one. This is collage. It's the portrait of Mr. President, and well, the symbol of another one. And then we also do fashion design in our department. And this is one of the products. Also, we have painting here. This is variety, lifestyle. And this is also some of the products we have in there. All these are made in the department. They are when we are just going to market for that purpose. We have been in this 1992.
So what you just
Well, we consider certain period certainly we have not tasted it, but surely we will. Because our products are for the fabric, yes. I can say that.
But you said you are not.
The department has not tested the market, but the product of the department are already which I'm one of them. Yes.
Not go life now. Should be your life.
Well, found object is also used as material. Yes, sir. And this is trinkets. We make it, and we can equally use this one. It remains as big as it is. So this one is here, a found object, plastic, leather, adhesive. It is also a painting mixed media. That is the style. Still in paintings. This is the body of the manufacturer. Yes. This is yes.
No, this house. This is our sugar of husbands. This is
Well, cable, electric cable, we are used to produce the different types of electric cable. So it is not easy to arrange things like this, to make this and to make, to get the resemblance of such a person, and it is made painter. So it gives it three-dimensional effect at the same time giving it an effect which paint will not be able to achieve. No, but we have contacted a special advisor, special. Yes. There is a sculpture. If you are looking at it from the point of view of pure aesthetics, you like it. It's also meat. Yes, there's metal inside. So the idea is suspending a weight on tiny. So that's the idea. Oh, okay, that's the name. That's the name.
You do?
Yes, sir.
There is a book of
She has just graduated from our department. She's serving now.
Does she know?
No, but we contacted the assistant at the time the external examiner saw it on display. So we are still working on that. Oh, thank you, sir. Well, still on our product here. And we mix it. Made in fabric and then this is also made by one of our yeah, it's a pregnant woman and it's a sculptural piece and made in somewhat abstract. It's Mozan art, yes, fiberglass. Fiberglass. Modern child. This is also made by one of our students, Mandy. Instead of us purchasing the Oyibo version of Mandy, so this student also he has graduated. He specializes in this manipulation. And he's making a lot of money from it. He has even employed many of our students to also do it. It's fiberglass.
Where is it?
It's in Lagos.
Balloon.
Do you know where it comes from? I think it's from the State. It should be from the State. This is more of fabric. Some of them are printed. They this is to tell them how industry, first of all, model of cloth before it is taken to machine for print. All of them. Everything.
That's why. That's why government is not continue to fund. Yeah, because government funds invest in the public. These are things we should be selling. We should be doing and selling the market to make money for the department.
Yes.
Waiting for government funding.
We are already doing that. And sir, I also want to inform you that the Institute of African Studies has just been established last week. And part of it is Ogbomoso story and a center for Ogbomoso story. So we intend to put it down to look for the materials and to generate knowledge concerning the emotion that business relationships. From the experimentation of that, yes, the material is equally sourced from Nigeria, except borax. Borax is a chemical that allows okay, let me call it stone now. Feldspar is a rock. It allows it to melt and to flow, and the flow smooth, so it can fuse with the body. So, but 99% of the material is from I want to thank you, sir, for coming.
Who is this place?
We pray that God will show you. Sir,
Who's this?
this is one of our lecturers.
Okay.
That is Dr. Adedin. And the material for this is just cutting. That type of
I hope you will make one like this for Candice.
yes, definitely.
So, yes, I should call it to collect the way.
Please call me. I'm Professor Akinton. Anytime, call me. I will give you my number.
Bomb.
Anytime. It's a work of art, so you take the long time.
Correct.
Sir, can I have the number?
It's interesting. No.
So Stanley came supporting.
Àwọn káàdì lọ́wọ́.
In the meantime, His Imperial Majesty is walking down the golf pitch now after the exhibition from the art and cultural aspect of Ogbomoso. And now we are moving straight to the golf pitch. That's what we're doing now. And you can see Otumba with him all the way from Abuja. And this is Neyu. And these are other dignitaries, Honorable Odebume Bonfik. And you can see Agba King of Ogbomoso land. The precision now, that's what we do. And, I'm going to declare.
We are very proud to have you here today and to have the opportunity to also be proud that you have declared this MDGs for the golf section of the voting recognition. So I call the captain to hand over to you.
So you're most welcome. Like I said, we are most very grateful for the support and everything. Taking it to the next level, we have this to today with your support and this. We do the honor to fulfill this tradition.
So the glory of God and to exceptional tournaments to be held in this golf club.
A round of applause for Gabriel.
Here we go. Here we go. Ogbomoso tournament been declared open at the golf section. The High Chief Abesa is also here. You're highly welcome, sir. I really appreciate you. Baba Ariago also is not in the section. And Yano de of Ogbomoso land also. She's not a golfer because she's not even dressed like a golfer. I knew she's a teacher, but she decided to be part of this wonderful event. You're highly welcome, ma. Really appreciate you. Thank you. I'll just go around.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it. What? Stay back. Stay back. Stay back.
No. The moment is here.
Thank you.
Of course. So, Kamisi, the way we're going to do is focus it. Then we do the just back.
So,
Tea of ceremony. We have tea of ceremony. You can't talk here. Come this way. Hello, please move away from there. Guys, move away from there. Hello.
now the first tee off is about to take place now.
I believe it's about hit that down.
That's a wonderful one. That's a royal first swing, man. Now, His Imperial Majesty has swung the tournament open, and that's what we do this morning. Wonderful one. A royal full swing with His Imperial Majesty.
The ground looks much better.
Oh, yes, thank you very much.
Whatever we have to do, just have to tell us.
Thank you. A round of applause for having you.
every December, people will look forward to coming here. And it doesn't really have to be this date. It can be whatever is going to be swap. Yeah, so because Christmas is coming. So we're not going to have a fixation date. We'll have a fixation of what we want. You understand? That's so it's December this year. Maybe we will always do December. We just do work. Maybe for people and all of those things. You please God bless whatever one of the best.
We are going to have fellowship at the
It's John 13:30.
Now, that has been the moment after His Imperial Majesty God, the first seal of the Gulf this morning, and now we're moving to the photo shoot stand to have a snap with the member of the clubs.
and the executive, the ORC goes only first.
Open Salawi is here, full of ground, and
ORC escort.
Sorry. Let's move back.
And the golf escort,
Please. Hello. Let's move back, please. All right.
The Chiefs with Kabesi.
Chiefs with Kabesi.
Sorry.
Where's the APM?
Sorry, sir. Shift. This way. Okay. Undo.
The Central Coronation Committee. Planning Committee. Planning Committee here. Central Coronation Planning Committee. And then the subcommittee on the golf tournament. Subcommittee on the golf tournament.
It's okay.
all right. Yes.
Kabesi alone. No, it's playing.
All right.
Kabesi alone. Who is this?
All right.
I'm strong. President join, sir. Okay. All right.
Thank you, God bless you. Where is this guy?
The High Chief Harvester is not a golfer. You can see him dressed in Agbada to a golf pitch. But we expect him next time you're coming around, sir. We expect you to have a very royal swing, sir. ASK. You can see this is ASK on the golf pitch of Ogbomoso Recreation Club. We hope to see more of you. This has been the moment, His Imperial Majesty leaving the golf pitch any moment from now, ready to take off after having a royal tea help this morning, and the High Chiefs Ababariago also witnessed the moment because it's an historic moment. Yalode also here, and Reverend Peter Olalaye is here, and the Babalaji of Ogbomoso land, Honorable Hopun Salawu. Hopefully by 2027, your wish come true, and we'd love to see you there at the high pedestrian of the political realm out there in future. Love to see more of you. And the Palace Secretary is also here, fully. Really appreciate you, sir. Thanks for coming. That's been the moment. Ashagbe with his Filagobi is here too. That has been the moment. Now it's the moment to take off from Ogbomoso Recreation Club now. Now everybody is leaving gracefully and gently, and this is Professor Adepoju leading the team of His Imperial Majesty out of the golf tourney here in the Ogbomoso Recreation Club. That has been that. That's what we're expecting. The progress here in the city of Ogbomoso, your state, Nigeria, and that's what we've been doing all the way. So, thanks for watching wherever you are watching us from. This has been a wonderful moment, an historic one, because there's the first time, the first of its kind in the city of Ogbomoso, where we'll be having a king being a coronation. As you have golf as part of the coronation.
Oh, okay. How are you, my brother? Well done. I've been seeing your work.
All right.
So that has been the wonderful moment, and it's highly historic here in the city of Ogbomoso before the departure of His Imperial Majesty. Everybody is ready to leave now, and we hope the tournament continues after the moment. And also here we have some media gurus here who also present at the golf tourney being taking place today. This is a senior professional man in the media world, Mr. Remi Oladoye, all the way from Ibadan.
This is my senior.
And this is our
He's
boss.
a grandfather in the media industry.
He's a boss, he's a guru in the media industry, all the way from other side.
From Abuja.
From Abuja.
He is Chief Doctor Williams Adelaye.
Oh.
He served a senior director and served as the senior special advisor to the immediate past president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari.
Wow.
So
it's a pleasure.
It's a son of the soil.
It's a son of the soil. It's a pleasure meeting you, sir. If not because of this occasion like this,
asking something about this.
We wouldn't have seen the dignitaries like you around. Sir, it's a pleasure meeting you. Sir, can you say something about this wonderful tournament we are having today, on inaugural golf tournament of His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye, being the first time such a tournament being happening in the land where you come from, sir?
Yeah, this is an historic moment. Yeah. You can see everything is starting very, very well. Ogbomoso is about to witness the transformation in the area of infrastructural development, social and economic development, which is the core agenda of the new KBC. So we are all delighted to be part of this historic celebration. And in a short while, we will begin to see this expected transformation manifesting in all facets of our lives in this city. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. But before you go, sir, we wouldn't want it to look like whenever we're having an occasion like this, we have to see you around, because there's no place like home. That's what they said. Sir, we hope this tournament is not going to be limited to Oba Ghandi alone. We hope to see more of it around. So, sir, are you pledging your support for Ogbomoso land, or make sure that we experience such a tournament like this more?
I can assure you, with the new KBC, all sons and daughters of Ogbomoso that are doing very, very well, both within and outside the country, will be part of the developmental agenda of this city. And talking about my involvement in the Ogbomoso affair, not only just this tournament that has brought people out been always around when there is any major event like this. But see, we are already getting to the turning point whereby some of these things will be institutionalized programs that is going to attract and bring in Ogbomoso sons and daughters from within and outside the countries. Just wait and see.
All right.
Thank you
so much.
He's been
really
coming
appreciate
home, doing wonderful things at home, supporting Ogbomoso sons and daughters everywhere. He's a wonderful man. You need to know him.
We really appreciate him. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That is that. That has been the moment. Now, everybody said after a while, His Imperial Majesty left the pitch for us. Then the tournament will kickstart, and everybody will back to the pitch now to make sure that we're having a wonderful the golf tournament being kicked off any moment from. But you can see a beautiful picture gallery of His Imperial Majesty. He was a wonderful golfer, as you can see him, and it's a game of men. When we talk of men, not just ordinary men, but a game of men. If you understand what I mean by that, you know what it takes to be a man. And that has been it's a pleasure having the moment with the mamas. They were here also grace this wonderful turning. Ma, good morning, ma. It's a pleasure meeting you. If not because of these His Imperial Majesty tournament, we hardly meet a wonderful mamas like you. Ma, how do you feel today seeing His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye come around to have the first royal swing with you in Ogbomoso Recreation Club?
We feel excited.
All right.
And we're so much happy today.
Okay.
To see to see Oba wa, Imperial Majesty, Oba ńlá, Oba Lẹ́gbogbolẹ̀ Yorùbá, Oba gbogbo Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti agbègbè rẹ̀ láti rí wọn láàrin wa. Inú wa dùn gan. We are so much happy, and we are happy that we have our king back. Glory be to God.
All right.
Bí ẹ̀jí tilẹ̀ jà tí atẹ́gùn fẹ́ síbẹ̀ òdomínú àgbọ̀n.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you. We are so much happy to see him with us today.
Thank you so much. Your name before you go, please.
My name is Fọláṣadé Bukky. Everybody knows see Abula.
Abula. Oh, you mean you sell our local swallows here? That's what you do. I appreciate that. I will come around for Amala and Gbegiri. That's been the food of Ogbomoso land. Madam, your name, please.
My name is Adesoye Adiola.
All right.
Popular known as Shemwele.
Shemwele. All right. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Here are the ladies golfers on they are doing. Oh my wonderful, the lady captain of the course. Okay, I can see your hand very look free. So you strike better, man.
Yes.
Now you're telling us right now that if we have another golf team all the way from other part of Nigeria to come around and having a competition with us as a female golfers, we're gonna have a win.
We have many lady golfers there.
All right.
From Ekiti State, Lagos State, Oyo State, Kwara State, Ogun State, from Canada, USA, America, throughout the world. They are here to recognize, to rejoice with us because of our new kings, Oba Ghandi Olaoye orumogege. We really appreciate everybody that present here today because we give glory to God. We don't expect such people like this. We give glory. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for that. We give glory to God.
Really appreciate you as the best female golfer around, being a captain of this course, and it's happening here in the city of Ogbomoso. Thank you and thank you and thank you. We really appreciate you. Love to see more of you. If you are a mother out there, you are just a sit-at-home woman, you don't want to be part of doing something recreational, please come around. And
she is one of us.
All right.
She is the lady gover too.
All right.
And she is the presenter.
All right.
Radio presenter, television presenter, newscaster.
And there's something you forgot to mention about. She is a woman advocate.
I'm a woman advocate.
She's been fighting for the cause of women in Ogbomoso land in a large scales, which many men like us used to run away from her because of activities on her. Which she doesn't take it easy. We're never taking off.
Why so tough that you men are running off? You are running out of me. You are running off me. Why?
Apart from that, me, I'm looking at her. She looks iron lady, which a single man like me cannot avoid. So now looking at that we really appreciate her being a golfer. We hope she plays better and love to see more of other women out there. So if you are a sit-at-home woman, come around, come and do something recreational and relax yourself and mix up with a great mind. All right.
This is Dr. Mrs. Motora Obaba today, your woman advocate. I'm calling on our ladies in Ogbomoso. We don't have old women. We are all ladies.
All right.
So we call you to come and join us.
All right.
This is, oh my God, what is happening here today is awesome.
Is this for ladies?
Awesome.
Yes.
All right.
Is this for ladies?
Yes. This for
highly historic.
This too is for ladies.
Oh my. I don't want to be part of this because these women here, they are something else at the golf pitch today. It's a wonderful moment. Very, very amazing moment here in the city of Ogbomoso. Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Yeah.
It's like they are friends already.
All right. Sir.
You want to hear from me?
Absolutely, sir.
For the ladies.
Try to follow.
For men now. With 77,000 followers.
All right. Sir, it's a pleasure meeting you here today. Because today being an historic golf tournament happening here in the city of Ogbomoso, Sir, how do you feel about this?
Great, great. Thanks be to Almighty. It's a privilege to be part of the persons that will witness this glorious day in the history of our town, Ogbomoso.
Sir, the last time we witnessed a coronation in the city of Ogbomoso was 50 years ago.
That was 1973.
1973, when the late monarch Oba Oyewumi was installed.
Oh, sure.
But it wasn't as colorful as this. Sir, today, being 50 years away, now you are having opportunity to be here. How could you compare the time of that coronation with this present coronation program slated for 6 days here in the city of Ogbomoso, sir?
Oh, yes. For the then standard, it was top-notch. That was some 50 years ago.
Yes, sir.
For today's standard, it's a super top-notch. It can only happen for the glory of God and installation of coronation of Oba Ghandi.
Now, with the coming up of His Imperial Majesty to Ogbomoso land, sir, now Ogbomoso is now expressing a kind of dramatic turn in terms of development now, because of that brought people like you down to the city of Ogbomoso. Sir, what can you say to other Ogbomoso indigenes out there who are kind of having different minds of coming home now that you can see all what is happening at home now? How will you implore them to come around and be part of Ogbomoso for the development that is going home now?
Well, Oba Ghandi is somebody who attracts progress and development wherever he is. The progress of Ogbomoso, the train of progress of Ogbomoso is about to leave the station.
Wow.
If you are not there,
you're missing
sorry,
out.
You might be left stranded.
Wow.
Because we've already joined the train. And off we go with Oba Ghandi.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you. As a barrister, thank you so much. You are not limited into the bar alone. You also come out for a recreational moment. That we love to see more of you around.
Yes,
thank you so much.
You swing.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Thank you so much. The Tiger Wood of Ogbomoso land. You're highly welcome, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you. Now, we hardly see men like you outside, if not for this kind of wonderful tournament. Sir, how do you feel seeing this kind of wonderful tournament being taking place in the city where you live, sir?
No, I'm not from here, but it's a lovely place to come here.
Oh, really?
Celebrate with my king. I knew in US, people live in Maryland, but I'm from Ibadan Golf Club.
Really?
So I have to be part of it because of it. And the captain of the Ogbomoso Golf Club is a lovely guy. He's a friend, he's a brother.
Wow.
So that's why I'm here.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
I got you, man.
You know what I mean?
Now, you said this right now, that you know His Imperial Majesty all the way from United States, man. And it's because of that, you decide to come around and felicitate with him as he's having the golf tournament here in the city of Ogbomoso. Yes. Sir, how will you describe the golfers with what we experience here? Can we have a man like that of Tiger Woods in the city of United States?
It's coming up.
It's coming up.
Up in here.
Okay.
We have a lot of beautiful beautiful golfer here. We have people from different states.
This is Jagun.
You know what I'm saying? I'm
wow.
A celebrity golfer.
Celebrity golfer Jagun.
You don't mean it, man.
From IGC. That's my captain.
Wow.
My captain, say hello.
Hello.
You know what I'm saying?
Thanks, man.
I'm a celebrity golfer. And my name is Kyle Dolito.
Wow.
I'm happy to be here.
All right.
This is a lovely place.
All right.
And sooner or later, I'm sure they're going to have people who's going to be better than Tiger Woods in the future.
In the future.
But we have a lot of new members coming up. They can play what Tiger Woods is playing, maybe 69, 65. And we have some people coming up.
I didn't doubt that.
Unfortunately, we're going to have it coming up.
Okay.
I trust you.
No doubt about that.
You know
Tiger Woods is a black man, and you also a black man.
Yes.
What Tiger Woods can do, and Nigerians can do it much more better. I guess so, man. Now,
Tiger Woods is from Nigeria.
Tiger Woods from Nigeria,
to be playing
and you are the Tiger Woods.
I ain't no Tiger Woods.
You ain't Tiger Woods, man. But you want to be like him.
No, I don't want to be like him.
You don't want to be like him.
I don't want to be like Tiger.
Now you got a pot belly. Tiger Woods doesn't have a pot belly, man.
I will come down, y'all.
With time, man.
With time, man.
Okay, no problem.
It's a pleasure.
see more of you around.
One love, yo.
One love, man. That's a moment we've been witnessing here in the city of Ogbomoso. We have a lot of foreigners being come around for this wonderful tournament being taking place here in the city of Ogbomoso, or your state, that we have the number of beautiful ladies being a Valo City, okay, all the way from Valo City, and the beautiful ladies, they are all here, really celebrating the moment with His Imperial Majesty. And thanks to Honorable Barrister Oluwaseun for making every event in Ogbomoso much more colorful, because when we have an event down here in the city of Ogbomoso, you always present us with the beautiful ladies. You feel like taking them home whenever they come around for hostering problem in the city of Ogbomoso. We really appreciate you, Barrister. Thank you always. Thank you always. We'd love to see more of that around. We don't know. This looks like a Valor City ambassadors that they come around for this wonderful tournament. And at this moment, I'm having a pleasure of a wonderful woman here in the city of Ogbomoso, Mrs. Olamide Alao Akala. You hardly see her around because she's a farmer, a farmer for that matter, and but it's been wonderful moment seeing her around today. Madam, how do you describe this moment being happening here in the city of Ogbomoso for the first time?
We give God all the glory.
All right.
For such a moment that we're all alive to witness this.
Absolutely.
These good things that are happening.
All right.
And this is the beginning of better things to come to Ogbomoso land.
All right.
By the special grace of God.
We love that. Aside your smile alone, you look more beautiful than to her. But because of this wonderful tournament being happening here, I knew you to be a farmer, and you've made us proud in the city of Ogbomoso, because a million of galleries have you on internet when you explored internet some months ago, like a lady farmer all the way from Ogbomoso, and a wonderful entrepreneurship like that. Ma, how will you use your skill of farming entrepreneurship to help more women in the city of Ogbomoso, ma?
We're already helping them. Those that are interested are reaching out to us. And
All
we're
right.
helping them already.
All right. In a large capacity.
Yes.
Okay. And more of them are still coming around. That you have been a wonderful ambassador, giving women hope to become more farmers, because many countries can survive without oil, but no country can survive without food. Yeah. Thank you for feeding us in this part of your state.
That's my boss.
Oh, your boss.
Yeah.
Sir, can we meet you, sir?
This is Aston.
Oh,
this is
the
Aston.
wonderful man.
Yeah.
Wow. The man Aston.
Yeah.
I used to know him as a big top-notch estate management. Wonderful CEO. Sir, it's a nice having you around today again. Thank you. We are proud of Ogbomosos. The many Ogbomosos around are all here, as you can see. And once again, it's been a very wonderful moment with Mrs. Olamide Alao Akala. We hope next time you come around with Honorable, because we don't know why he's not around here today. But we'd love to see more of him around. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. That has been the moment here. Now, everybody is witnessing a wonderful moment. That's what we're doing here in the city of Ogbomoso. The Prince, highly welcome, sir. Love to see more of you around. We hardly see you outside, if not because of this wonderful moment. Prince, sir, you have been out there playing golf on a different pitch around the world. Sir, for you, experiencing the golf tournament here in the city of Ogbomoso, sir, how will you describe this pitch with the one you are coming from out there?
The pitch looks okay, because I was here about 2 months ago.
All right.
And I can see that there's been a lot of improvements in the last 2 months to make sure it goes right up to the standards of the Western world.
All right.
But I know by next year, December, for the big tournament, this place is going to look different. And I can tell you, maybe Tiger Woods will come and play.
That's a wonderful one. All the way from my prince. He's giving me my words that I love to hear since morning. That the man Tiger Wood is going to be part of us here in the city of Ogbomoso. Then we won't wait to slam it down with him, man. Yeah, that's the moment. That's the moment. That's the moment. Love to see everyone around. Thank you so much. This is Ogbomoso Golf Course in the city of Ogbomoso. And here are the beautiful ushers come around to make the wonderful moment looks like. And everybody waiting to make it happen here in the city of Ogbomoso. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Before you go, let me just add something.
All right.
When I saw the ushers yesterday, I thought they were like from United States of America.
Really?
And they were so coordinated. Though one of them denied me food, but this lady eventually gave me a sorrow and a four.
Wow.
Thank you for yesterday.
All right.
And, thanks for the compliment.
I just hope you improve on your style next time. When you're working, you see a lot of disturbances, but please be more focused and be more professional. Cheers, man. So
that's a word of
just take
golf.
Look at the security. Look at people here.
All right.
Look at people that are here to play golf.
All right.
And you can see they are from different parts of the world today. We have people from Ilorin, from Lagos, from Ikeja Golf Club, from Abeokuta, even from Abuja. Yesterday, some people came from abroad, and everything is set for this particular occasion. And I can tell you, it's reflecting on the economy of Ogbomoso. People really love this town, and with these people around, you see, there will be more bookings for hotel, food seller will sell, everybody around. Now, for somebody like you, my friend, my rich friend, I think you can buy one kit, and you know how much that means. They got to pay tax. Everything will have positive impact on Ogbomoso land. Kabesi just said, this is going to be an annual event, and if this is an annual event, we are going to work things out that you have to be in Ogbomoso for 1 week, a week, where there will be events preceding the golf tournament. There will be carnival. There will be cultural festival, and after which there will be there will be golf. You can see the medics are also here. Everybody is set for the golf course. Say hi to the camera. That's our medics. These are golfers from Ibadan. Right. And everybody. And to our viewers, that's October. Let's go to October.
All right.
That's you can see of Otumba Yomeojo, good morning. Can you speak to the camera, please?
Okay.
Good morning, Kabesi.
Otumba,
you are here.
Yes, sir.
For the golf club. From Tiger Golf Club. What does it feel to be here?
No, at least let me give it to the LOC. They really tried their best because when last I came here and with development I saw today, I saw since yesterday, at least there's a huge improvement. I must give it to them. It's a good development.
Yeah.
Oh, sir. In the meantime, you are here now. By next year, we hope we'll have a wonderful tournament like this and make it a competitive one for other people in other parts of the world. Bring them down to the city of Ogbomoso. What do you see to that, sir?
I must tell you with what we have been experiencing yesterday, next year is going to be great.
All right.
And I will love to call the city of Ogbomoso to please join the golf family. It's a wonderful game. We do call it game of life because it's going to adjust so many things in somebody's life. A part of the connection they're part of connection, and the game will improve everything about someone etiquette, the way you behave, the way you talk to people. It will change so many things about an individual that take the game as hobbies or as an exercise.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Sure. And now the president of Ogbomoso. President, sir. Fine, sir. From Ogbomoso Focus TV. Sir, we want your view on this tea of this has just been performed by the show of Ogbomoso, sir.
Well, as you know, this is a great day for Ogbomoso community And of course, we are celebrating the impending coronation of our Kabiyesi that is coming by Tuesday. We are very happy. And you also know that with the development today, Oba is now becoming a tourist destination. And this golf tournament will be the, I will call it the attraction that will bring all golfers from different parts of Nigeria to this place. The event of today, we have over 150 golfers. But Ilori, Abuja, Akure, Port Harcourt, and we are proud to be able to receive them. You know, as you can see that our golf course is well lit. Yes. And we are proud of the support that we got from corporate institutions both in Nigeria and abroad. You see the list. A lot of donors. Yes. And we appreciate that.
Then what are your expectations from the Ogbomoso indigene, both at home and the diaspora, especially in terms of participating or support this cause?
Number one, we have let me put it, the stake is already taken to the next level. We expect the Ogbomoso indigenes in diaspora and abroad to know that we have these facilities here and people can come and recreate. And I can tell you that in another 1 year, we are taking the event club to another level, whereby we have the best. People will be proud to come home. And that's it. And of course, as we must have had, this tournament will be an annual event. Yes. So I can assure you that the next event will be better than this.
Okay, sir. Your name once again, sir?
My name is Dr. Olaoye Ghandi. I'm the president of this Ogbomoso.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I think that's a very good point to stop. Yeah?
Taking.
Okay, well. Okay.
So, today I'm an emergency reporter of Ogbomoso Focus TV. I will do that, sir. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for joining us. And you've been having a wonderful experience. Join us later in the afternoon for the traditional event at the palace, and later in the evening for the finals of this wonderful event. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. And that's been a moment for this morning. This is just the golf hall. His Imperial Majesty declared open this morning at Ogbomoso Recreation Club here in the city of Ogbomoso. I was just declared this place open as of today, being the royalty of this tournament, and that's what we're doing. And here you can see the epitaph on the wall. This reception is dedicated to the glory of God and to all past captains. Dedicated today, 16 December 2023, by His Imperial Majesty Oba Afọlábí Olaoye orumogege and the Shogun of Ogbomoso land, Chief Olaleye, the Armstrong Ogbomoso Recreation Club golf captain. That's been the moment, and that is that for now. Whatever you are watching us for, thank you so much. Thank you for being part of us this morning. Thank you, all the medical teams, all the way from Lautech Teaching Hospital here in Ogbomoso. We really appreciate you. Thanks for standing by. Thanks for coming. The men of security out there, we really appreciate you. Thanks for coming around. Thanks for standing by. And all the men that decide to come around and grace this wonderful location, this wonderful tournament being taking place today. We really appreciate you. Thanks for coming around. This is ORC, Ogbomoso Recreation Club Golf Course. And that's where we are this morning in the honor of His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye. And if you don't know, this is the first time in the history of our land, well, a golf tournament will be included along with the coronation ceremony in the city of Ogbomoso, Oyo State. So we therefore say thank you. Thanks for watching. Wherever you are watching us for, please and please and please, for the love and the sake of this platform, help us like, share, and comment. And we're having another wonderful man here today. Sir, can we meet you, sir?
Well, my name is Engineer Dr. John Waji.
All right. Engineer, doctor, you decide to come around for this wonderful tournament being taking place today. Sir, how will you describe the city of Ogbomoso witnessing such a tournament like this, sir?
Well, like Kabiyesi has always said from the beginning, he has development plans.
All right.
For Ogbomoso, I am aware he has development plans of more than 20 years for Ogbomoso land, which of course sports is a part of it. So the golf tournament, like Kabiyesi said, is going to invest in it. So I can assure the people that, as he said, he has plans. He has for transformation in sports, in education, in tourism, in cultural activities, in real estate, and other infrastructure development. Kabiyesi has plans, and most of the opportunity and resources will come from outside of the state. So I'm sure it's a new day for the people of Ogbomoso.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate you. All the way from Abuja. You flew in this morning just to witness this wonderful tournament. That's a wonderful one. A great love for our city of Ogbomoso. Really appreciate you. Thanks for coming around. That has been that. We're about to get offline now. It's been a wonderful moment with Ogbomoso Focus TV. Please, wherever you're watching us from, we say a very big, wonderful thank you to you, all our viewers online. Thank you so much. Because any moment from now, we are leaving the pitch, and we are leaving this pitch now in order to keep it up with you later in the day. So thank you so much. We'll keep you posted as the program of the coronation being slated for 6 days. This is day 3, and we have less than another 3 days to go now. By Tuesday, by God's grace, His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, is going to be here in the city of Ogbomoso to hand over the staff of the office to His Imperial Majesty, Oba Ghandi Afọlábí Olaoye, here in the city of Ogbomoso. And with that, then everything, the new dawn, will be witnessed here in the city of Ogbomoso. But for the meantime, we say thank you, those who are following us out there. We say thank you to you. Thanks for watching always. Thanks for following all us ways. And we are using this moment to tell you, please and please, help us share, like, and comment on this page. Let us know what you feel about us, what we need to improve, what we need to add, and what we need to do to make us serve you better than this. But for the meantime, we say thanks for watching. It has been with Ogbomoso Focus TV. Thank you, thank you. We call it off for now. Then we join us later in the evening, where we'll be having another section in Ogbomoso Palace, where the traditionalists will be having their own program slated as part of coronation ceremony in the city of Ogbomoso. Thank you, and thank you, thank you.